Kindly click like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the notification button for more. Thank you.
Wow. Welcome to Maya Nyash Award. The next category is the biggest bomb of the year. And it goes to Maya 2021. Maya, don't wonder anytime. This award, the name fit you. Even if you won't focus, you come and just go here. Maya, I want to be here now. No wonder why they always sing this song. Wow. No. I'm gonna come this award every year. And this kind of award, no, not anybody wanted. I was supposed to perform now and quickly run back to my event, but I will refund. See Bombo. Well, I'm a child of God, I cannot be saying Bombo. I will just say Nyash. Wow, my sister, how are you? Wow. I know now. Why you go so long? Are you married? It's complicated, are you? Sir?
Continue.
Some of us are married, but it's not that serious. I'm coming up to you. My sister that stood up that time. What am I? Are you married now? No. Wow. You are in trouble tonight. I don't know what you came with, but you are not going back with it. I can assure you that people will fund your accounts today. Next time you are coming out, you don't need to look back for picture, just do like this. If you are Davido, you don't need to say, all my friends, donate for me. Just do like this. I'm broke. Even me, I will send you 1 million. Hey, brother of God. See what? This kind of thing, Well, very quickly, for those that don't know me, my name is Kenny Black. I know I have added weight. I have added weight, have you? Yes. You probably say, any young follow. I tried it and I was still broke. I want you guys to know that I have started gym and I'm not going back again till I die. Gym is like the room. Whatever they're telling you to give best, they will tell you in the gym. Push! It's coming out, guys, And I want to ask ladies, please, do you guys still care about 6 packs? No, let us stop this matter here. Do you still care about 6 packs? Okay, wait. Ladies, 6 packs or 6 cars? Wait, all for 6 packs, say hi. All for 6 cars, say hi. I want to chill out there. I'm going to push. We're going to trip on them. We're going to trip on them. We're going to trip on them. Make some noise if you have a flat tummy. Make some noise if you have a big belly. Make some noise if you wish to have a flat tummy. Make some noise if you just want to live your life. Even though I said I have sleeping and I some girls did there that they say you go see waist trainer, they don't feel bricks. Most of them there is not for a friend like this. And their friends will tell them, Shadi, if we are to daddy, or you're considering. No, all their face down there. Oh boy, first of all, this has been the happiest moment of my life. This is the best week of my life. And I'm going to tell you why. Last week, I won the award for Music Comedian of the Year in Nigeria. I want to clap for me. And I speak to you right now. I am the first comedian in West Africa to have a Netflix special streaming all over Africa, all over UK, and all over Canada. So I beg you in the name of the Lord, after this event tonight, go to Netflix, type In My Room by Kenny Black, stream and make me happy, because I used to stay with my parents, but now I parent. So now to help us, my brother, I know that they stay by now, but they face challenge. So when I guys really help my life. Now, because of this bomb where I see today, I must talk about it. I I have never talked about Boko before in my life. I am a family comedian. But today, I have to appeal to you people. Now, if Johnny Tree come this place now, I'm saying, I don't know when I'm coming back. I'll be gone for a little while. Una no go dance. But once DJ play, you know, let them run away. And then they run you will see mommy go climb chair. She give her she give her. What's wrong with this generation? We don't make crazy. Only God can help us. You need to buy Johnny Drew. If you sing for here, when I feel like say, we don't feel now. Now because they in the sing song from the good old days, like the good old days. Just imagine say now, Lionel Richie sing Shady Balabala. It will make sense though. Lionel Richie will not be like, yeah, my name is Lionel Richie. I've got a song titled Shady Balabala. Or you can call it Shady Balabala. DJ, do you have Shady? Yeah, I gave it to you. So I don't talk things, but I never get this song ready. Okay, I will do it a cappella. My sister, what's your name again? Sorry, what's your name? Okay, not your wife. What's your name? Jennifer. Imagine you are Lionel Richie's wife back in the good old days, and you Shady Balabala for him, and you broke his heart. He's going to look at you and be like, you said you're not coming back home. You said please leave me alone. You said I can't afford your needs, so you're leaving for the street. I've been part of the Maya Awards from the very first beginning. And look at how they came from the Ibadan to the mainland, from the mainland to the island. Next year, what do anybody want to tell me like hotel? Maya, I don't make mouth, but next year I will support you. Call me tomorrow, let me see what you can do for me. Like say Buhari made this award. Buhari is proud of this guy. Why you don't know? Buhari could just say, I went to the this guy came from Ibadan, so do what here. Maya, anybody that to stop you at your let me stop here for security reasons. I know when you say Kenny Black is missing. Are you ready for me now? Almost ready? Are you ready? Okay, don't worry. You have the rest, Abby. Which one do you have? So that they can spray more. The last year when I sprayed, they sprayed me 2.5, connected to 1.8. You have the rest, Abby? Okay, they get that one ready because I don't plan to take for this stage. I want to know say Nigeria they go China. When I hear say we go China, all of us are Chinese, we don't know. Yeah? Starting from next 2 years, once we don't be paid, we just see where we just come say, change all that. Shameful chala, but nothing more shameful. Yes, change all that. So. Now all of us they use iPhone. What iPhone they do? Bam 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 bam. I want it to go back to I want to change lie. Who use that for here? That was in China when they what is India? All of us go back to India. My name is Maria. I want to thank everybody for the good time. I want to thank everybody for the partner with nobody. Normally people when they call Ocean before. Ocean, what Ocean? They go turn to their Ocean. You know what they want there? Ocean, Ocean, follow. Oh, woman down. The way whiskey them they go, you have the choke and diligence, you have the choke and the ice on my neck. The way this whiskey them they go, I swear to God, they will do that for Nigeria. It showed me that. Look at what Thames and whiskey is doing. Showing that most of our politicians, they get healed. But the people making sense, putting Nigeria in the map, now all the creative people will get this place, all the creative industry, all that sense yes! We'll put two things together. Now, if I stand here, I be Davido. If I stand here, I be who? If I stand here, I be Davido. If I stand here, I don't get their voice, but I will try to perform like them. We will name the song "A Restrict My Choke." DJ, let's go.
It's V.G. Adams, Alpha. Guess who we have in the building?
It's Davido.
And my brother.
Yeah. Stop working for you.
Africa stand up. Afro beats the world. David see it.
I forgive them one. Talk to fight for the lady. She did a caterpillar. Regular navigator. It's Davido. I know you know. I like you know. But I want to know. How you get through anytime when you come around. Easy. Hold on. She restrict my head. You know. Shut up. Really. She restrict my head. I say Joe. Shut up. You will not do this to sing. For the number, let's snap the two of us. Wait to come. Snap the two of us. Wait to come. Look at her. This is a lady one. She is born in Nigeria, but she says, I don't know what's like her one day. I have known her over 2 years. I saw her for the last year. And she was the first person to be able to destroy anything. She paid my $10,000. I love what you do. So what do you? I support you. What does it mean? Mommy, I'm not going to have anyone. What do you see in the face? Maya, I will connect with you. Understand? I'm not going to go pay for you, but who am I? I always say that, you say, let I pay before I come around. But we just say Maya is missing. And they watch you. Maya Award will be the top of the town in Africa. So let us keep supporting the brother. Maybe they will do Maya, even for Grammy, they will nominate Maya Award. You understand? I have a feeling that Grammy Award will happen in Nigeria with the way Afrobeat is going. If you believe, say amen. You know, say the Grammy Award happen for Nigeria. Now different genre of music they will do. They will do R&B, they will do hip hop, they will do reggae, they will do country. But they will do rock. They will do rock music, but nobody to sing rock for Nigeria. Who will sing rock for Nigeria? They will find, they will see, they want to say any artist that can sing rock will give them $50,000. You will see one artist come out. Yeah! I'm a rock artist. I say, what's your name? Tenashmoda. What's your name? Tenashmoda. What song did you sing? I saw my name. AFCC. Jaka. Lodi CC. Loda. They will come pay Tenashmoda $50,000. Tenashmoda will turn rock artist. It will be something like this.
Eyes on my neck, eyes on my wrist. Many days I sleep. Until I'm tired. Every day I'm chasing life. Tired. Roller coaster, I'm tired. Back to sender.
Kindly click like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the notification button for more. Thank you.